Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn cybersecurity from scratch. Begin by picking a focused learning goal and a realistic timeline, then choose a primary path like defensive or offensive security. Create a hands-on lab using virtual machines and snapshots, and install essential tools so you can practice safely. Schedule short daily practice sessions, track progress, and join a study group or forum to stay motivated and get real feedback. Build a solid foundation by mastering networking concepts, common protocols, and packet analysis. Spend time with both Linux and Windows to understand file systems, processes, and permissions from a security viewpoint. Learn cryptography essentials like symmetric and asymmetric algorithms, hashing, and certificate basics. Practice threat modeling and common attack methods to see how defenses work. Use hands-on labs and capture the focus on practical, repeatable skills that translate to real tasks. Automate routine checks with small Python or Bash scripts and learn to analyze packets and logs quickly. Use tools like Nmap for discovery, Wireshark for packet analysis, Burp Suite for web testing, and Metasploit for exploit validation in safe environments. Keep a learning journal of commands, techniques, and lessons learned so you can review and refine your approach over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.